There are times in life when everything feels stuck. You try your best, but nothing seems to move forward. You feel tired, confused, and sometimes even hopeless. You keep thinking about your situation again and again, and your heart feels heavy. In those moments, remember one strong and simple truth. Nothing is impossible for Allah. No problem is too big. No pain is too deep. No situation is too difficult to change. When everything feels closed, Allah can open a way you never expected. You may be facing money problems that never seem to end. You may be dealing with health issues that drain your strength. You may feel pain in your family life or relationships. You may feel alone even when people are around you. But you are not without help. You are not forgotten. You are not left alone in your struggle. Sometimes life does not go the way you plan. Doors close in front of you. Efforts fail. Dreams get delayed. You start asking why this is happening to you. But this does not mean your story is over. It only means the timing is not right yet. What is meant for you will not miss you. Think about your own life. How many times did you feel nothing would change, but later something small happened and gave you hope again? A simple message, a small chance, a sudden relief in your heart. That was not random. That was a reminder that your situation can still improve. Every effort you make matters. Every prayer you say matters. Every tear you drop in silence is known. Even when you feel nothing is happening, something is still moving in your favor. You just cannot see it yet. Many people go through the same feelings you are going through. They feel stuck. They feel lost. They feel like nothing will change. But later, their lives turn in ways they never expected. Your time can also come. Your change is not impossible. The delay you feel is not always a punishment. Sometimes it is a process of building you. It makes you stronger. It teaches you patience. It shapes your heart. It prepares you for something better than what you asked for. Hope is very important in times like this. Hope means you believe even when you cannot see results. Hope means you trust Allah, even when you do not understand what is happening. Hope keeps your heart alive when everything around you feels silent. Do not judge your life only by what you see today. Life can change very fast. A situation that looks impossible today can become very easy tomorrow. Life can change very quickly. It can change in a moment you do not expect. You are not alone in this struggle. You are not forgotten. You are passing through a moment that will not last forever. And after this moment, ease and relief can come in ways you never imagined. Keep going, even if your steps are small. Keep praying, even if answers are delayed. Keep trusting, even if your heart feels tired. Because patience always brings a reward. And after every hardship, there is ease. Nothing stays the same forever. Hard times also pass. Difficult situations also end. And with trust in Allah and patience in your heart, your life can change in ways that bring peace again. If this message touched your heart, please like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more peaceful reminders.